In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar events from ClickUp tasks. If you want your tasks to show up on your calendar automatically, this setup can save you time and make it much easier to stay organized. Once the sync is in place, tasks with dates in ClickUp can appear as events in Google Calendar, so you can manage your schedule and your work in one place. To begin, open ClickUp and go to the App Center. Inside the App Center, find and select Google Calendar. This is where you'll connect your calendar service and manage the integration. If this is your first time setting it up, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct accounts before moving forward. Next, connect your Google account and approve the requested permissions. These permissions allow ClickUp and Google Calendar to communicate with each other properly. This is a normal part of the setup process, and it's required so your task information can be sent to the calendar you choose. Once your account is connected, look for the option labeled Sync Tasks to Calendar. Beside that option, click Manage. This will open the sync settings, where you can control exactly how your ClickUp tasks are sent to Google Calendar. From there, click Add Sync. This creates a new sync connection and lets you define where your tasks are coming from and where they should be displayed. Now choose the source. You'll need to select the ClickUp space, folder, or list that contains the tasks you want to sync. This step is important because it determines which tasks are included. If you only want calendar events from a specific project or workflow, make sure you choose the right location here. After that, choose the Google Calendar where the task events should appear. If you use multiple calendars, such as separate ones for personal and work schedules, double check that you're selecting the correct one. That helps avoid confusion later and keeps your schedule organized. Next, set the filters. You can choose to sync all tasks or only tasks assigned to you. This gives you some control over how much appears on your calendar. If you're working in a shared space, syncing only your assigned tasks can help keep your calendar clean and focused. When you're ready, click Add Sync to confirm. Finally, add dates to the ClickUp task. Give the task a start date, a due date, or both. Once those dates are added, the task will automatically appear as an event in Google Calendar through the sync you just created. That's it. Your ClickUp tasks can now flow directly into your Google Calendar, making planning and time management much more seamless. Thanks for watching.